Welcome to Stephanie Goddess 222. I was so drained and tired, I had to take a nap. My dumbass wakes up at 7:30 thinking it's fucking 7:30 to tomorrow morning. So now I'm all wide awake, can't go to sleep. So, today's it's the 28th. People that know what today is, it's the opening of a portal. So don't do nothing stupid, people. Don't be going doing nothing stupid now, people. You hear me? Because it's not going to work. If it hasn't worked by now, right? With your little dark magic, moon magic, mirror magic, water magic, freezer magic, graveyard magic. I mean, I can keep throwing the evil eye. I can keep going on. With that being said, right? It never works. If anything, it just makes me stronger. So thank you. Real shit. Like, real thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Now, I just got some new incense. I was drawn to Moon Goddess. So we're gonna... get a prayer in. God, Jesus, Archangel Michael, Archangel Metatron, Archangel Gabriel, ancestors, spirit guides, guardian angels. Help me give this message to... Where is my lighter? It's right here. Ooh. I can already tell this is not going to be good because that's Archangel Michael right there, and he just fell, and he's the one that comes and chops down motherfuckers for fucking with earth angels, and yeah, because Archangel Michael sees every fucking thing. But anyway, I'm going to light my chakra positive sage, protection sage, I'm sorry. Help me give this message to whoever needs to see it, receive it. Again, if it doesn't apply, let it fly. Please don't come in my comments like, but I'm not in a relationship. Then this isn't about you, honey boo boo. Like I wrote it, then it doesn't resonate with you. It resonates with someone else that's watching it. Oh, I broke up within 5 weeks. Then maybe that's for you. I don't know. Don't shoot the messenger, right? I just give the message. Spirit helps me give the message. Confirmation. How was everybody's day? Now, when I was shuffling, right, I was guided to do this deck, but only a couple, fell out. So 333 on the timestamp. I can't really show you some of these cards fell out. Now I'm going to take a picture of them and put them on my story. Those cards are very significant in this reading. We got the time is now, next full moon, which is today, and the next full portal is today. Then we got 51 by the end of the week. Then we got 54, it's happening now. Then we got number 6, it's the right time to take action. Then we got number 52 today. April and then 18th is upside down. So something happened April 18th, but it didn't work. Next we got 32, time will bring a surprise. 33, tomorrow looks promising. 31, next couple of days. 37, next week looks promising. Amazing numbers 5, amazing chemistry, terrible timing. So these cards are very significant. I already took a picture of it. I'm going to post that first, then post my reading. So, alright. Let's see what the 4-1, oh, damn. My crystals don't ever fly out of my hands, bro. This is gonna be juicy. Like a movie. Innkeeper. Social leader. Archangel Michael said, yup. Star-crossed love. Wow. If Archangel Michael is not trying to send y'all motherfuckers a sign, I don't know what is, because it's a sticker and it's on there. It never, ever comes off. Like, alright. We got Mexico, so somebody could be fleeing to Mexico. Take it how it resonates. Seeing the bigger picture. Lesson. Obsessive lover. Widow or widower. So somebody's going to be a widow or a widower. Take it how it resonates. Something about this child. What about this child? This child is abundant. And I'm just the messenger. Overcoming fear. Lesson. Somebody's in their own prisoner of war. Or they could be going to prison. Take it how it resonates. Somebody could be dying of dementia. Trauma. There's a secret out there that people think I don't know that I know that you know that I fucking know already, but whatever. Broken heart, death, infection. So somebody is going to be brokenhearted because somebody died of an infection. Like, the only infection you can get that you die are the motherfuckers that aren't fucking curable. So this is giving me like, yeah, someone might find out someone's gluttony. They're glutton for punishment because gluttony is a sin. Poison. Someone tried to poison somebody. Yeah, me. Someone's a spinster for love. Self-love. Lesson. Mystic wanted to pop out. Verbal abuse and physiological abuse, trauma. Someone is playing victim, but they're really not the victim, because somebody's a pioneer and they're not giving up. And there's a witness to something. Someone's a witness to something. Witness again. You can't make this shit up, people, bro. Social. Someone's a social leader. So this is giving me like the Illuminati, a church, a cult, a coven. Somebody's the social leader. Eastern Europe location, murder. Let me fuck around and find out. My grandfather said, Stephanie, shut the fuck up and just do your reading. Look, you see how that fell right there? They wanted to point fingers at somebody and say that they was the victim, when in reality they were innocent. Because look at the card. There's crosses and someone pointing at her and she has her head down. Fuck out of here. Someone's a murderer. Something that has to do with the Pacific, or something specific, like the peacemaker, but it's specific, like why they're the peacemaker. And it's a black and a white, so that could be significant also. There could be an alliance of a white and a black person to be the peacemaker. Things, take it how it resonates. If it's not for you, this is not your reading. Imprisonment, someone's going to jail. Whoever this caretaker is. And guess what? Alicia's a caretaker. I'm sure the fuck is. Prophecy and gifts. Stop playing with me, people, bro. Stop. Then you're insulting my fucking soul's intelligent. Philosopher, early earth dweller. Yeah, because I know a couple who I've been in my past lives. I just don't tell people, bro. Yeah, told you someone's a part of a fucking cult. Some father figure. Or somebody's husband. Benefactor. He's an adult male. That's all they're giving me. Spirit, who's this? Before I can even ask Spirit. Then we got the blank. They can't reveal it. Not right now to me. Whatever it is going to cause them a death. And then we got an older man that's also involved. And he's also a spinster for love. He's got fucking mental illnesses. Truth.